This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath is an open concept. The main floor has living room west/fireplace, dining room, kitchen, family room and amp, laundry closet. Kitchen features a breakfast bar and all appliances and amp, washer/dryer are included. Brand new carpeting upstairs in all bedrooms, hallway and amp, stairs. Upstairs hallway overlooks the living room. Owner's suite has walk-in closet and amp. The ensuite bath has been updated and amp, features a heated and amp, jetted bathtub. Newer windows on the main and amp, upper level provide beautiful views of the pond. 2-car garage has workbench and amp, shelves for storage. New furnace was installed in 2020. Enjoy the wood deck, wildflower gardens, strawberry plants and amp, fruit trees. The property includes 1/10 ownership of the pond, which attracts wildlife.